Hello aviation fans. Today I will be unboxing and testing the XK B747 3-channel remote control airplane. So I got this on Amazon, and I'll start with just opening the box and showing you what's inside. And then later we will assemble it and do some flight testing, see how it handles. Okay, so start with opening the top. Slide this out. Okay. So here's the wing assembly, held in place by tape. It's got two Corliss 720 motors driving these two propellers on the back. The engines are just for display. Everything seems to me made out of a styrofoam material, which is called EPP. So we'll see how durable that is. Some electronics in here. Looks like a battery connector, a receiver. Here we go. Battery compartment, some wiring. Okay. Next we have the body, the fuselage. So this is a one-nighted, not united, plane. Back there we have some linkages, control arms for the elevator trim. There's no rudder control, so I believe you just control this by adjusting the pitch up and down, and then the engines accelerate and decelerate to give it some directional control left and right. Okay, what else do we have? There is also a remote control, 3-channel remote. Batteries are not included. And we have box containing looks like the battery, which is a 3.7 volt 300 milliamp battery, LiPo. There we go. Comes in one of those. Charger and cord, USB cord. And in this bag we have, looks like, 2 spare propellers and the landing gear. Now let's assemble the aircraft. So let's go ahead and take the main fuselage. There's a cord here that leads to the micro servo controlling the elevator trim. So we take this cord, plugging into the receiver, which is in the wing. Okay, once that's done, make sure the wiring is tucked into the fuselage, and then just insert the wing into the fuselage there at the back, and then in the front take the screw that was supplied and use the screwdriver that was supplied. Go ahead and tighten that down. Make sure that's not going to fall off. Okay, now we put the nose gear on here and the main landing gear. Okay, so that's fully assembled. Let's see there. Now, let's pair the remote, bind it with the receiver. So what you do is, I already put the battery in there. The battery goes in there. Flip the switch on. Make sure that's beeping. And turn the remote on. Okay. They're now bound to each other, so let's put the plane down. Let's test out the controls. There we go. Elevator moves up and down. Okay, and now the engine. So it's got pretty good power. Here, let me just do that again. Okay, so I think she's ready to fly. And so I'll take her outside in a minute and we'll do a flight test. Apparently this can do a full 360 flip on the professional rudder mode. And it has a built-in 6-axis gyro to keep it automatically stabilized, so no matter what you do, it will try to level it out. So let's give it a full flight test and we'll be back here in a minute.